Good morning, everyone. I am in the process of opening the Heritage 2015 Megabox. So, the box that it came in, I've got a little setup right here for looking at the card rarity. Got some top loaders and some for keeping the stuff. Got the boxes set up for the commons. Got a little folder here ready for some of the ones. And this is the box that they came in. And then here you go. You can see you've got 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 times 2. So now you've got 20 boxes. They all look like this. So look for autographs and relics, short print, special rare cards, nickname variations, and much more. So we will see what these boxes look like. Open up the first box here today. First one in there. So one of the things that they say in these Heritage Mega Boxes is that 1 in every 5 should have a base card red bordered. 1 in every 5 packs. So we'll see if that is the case. This first one, each of these has, there's 500 cards in the base set. 17 packs, 8 cards per pack. There's 17 packs and 1 in 5, so you should get 3 red bordered base cards per pack. So it looks like per box, and then occasionally we should get 4 to make it average out. So we should get 7 basically every 2 boxes. Alright, so let's see. We've got Garrett Crotchet. There you go. So that's the red border. You'll see right there, the very first pull. It's 1 out of 5. So we're going to go ahead and put that in a sleeve. Right here. I'll put this in a top loader. I think I'm taking the kids to the Raleigh card show today. So I might take some of these and see if there's people who are interested in trading for some of these. Alright, Edgardo Henderson, Hayden Birdsong, Jonathan Cannon, Perdome, Josh Naylor. Alright, this is, I don't know if this is the equivalent of a God Pack. Got a signed, top certified autographed series, Tyler Locklear. He plays for the Mariners, so I should just sell the rest of the packs out of this. I've gotten the best two great cards right here out of the first pool. So we might go get that graded, so I'm going to put that in the others. Blake Dunn and Trevor Miguel. Alright, didn't really see. That is a pretty sweet first pack to open. Alright, put that in the trash bag. Open pack number 2. So, probably not going to expect too much out of this pack today, but let's see what we got going on. Alright, first card. James Woods, Nationals. Tanner Hoke. Donovo. Some Cardinals. Ooh. Alright, we've got a Bryce Harper NL All-Star first baseman. Alright, let's go ahead. Obviously, Bryce Harper. These cards are in demand. I don't know about this, how this specific one will be. But we'll go ahead and sleeve it up. Put it in a top loader. And there we go. David Peterson. So these are the 1976. Got an all-star second baseman card. Alright, well, anything that's a little bit different, I'm just going to sleeve up. Put these ones in the top deck holder. If you do submit cards to PSA, these top holders, you have to get the cards out of these. You can submit these to PSA. You can do these to PSA, but I recommend doing these. Alright, well. Pretty good first two sets. But we'll see what actually ends up being rare. So let's see, a rookie card. That's pretty good. A rookie card signed autograph. Is this a high number? ROATL. Real autograph. Yeah. So I don't know. It's definitely a pretty rare card though. Could be worth some money. I don't know. Tyler Locklear, my big baseball guy. I don't know all the stats, how good he is. Alright, we got a Chrome variant All-Star outfielder Yolanda Alvarez, Australia. Let's see what that silver border. Yeah, 1 in every 6. Go ahead. Oh, that's got a very cool top on it. Again, we're just gonna put this. This might be something we think about once I do some more research on the PSAs. We'll put in that. Dylan Dingler, rookie card. I like to pull out the rookie cards just because in the long run, if they overperform, rookie cards are going to be some of your best performing long term. Obviously, it could be a dud, but I like to go ahead and put this in a sleeve. We got a kid up. Bryson Stout, Jackson, Topps All-Star Rookie. I'm going to put that one to the side. JT Gin, Adele, James K. Polk. So these are pretty rare. Put that to the side. These are some of the heritage cards in this deck. One of our presidents. He's probably worth maybe a buck or two. We'll put it over here. Daniel Schneemann, Paul Lopez, and there we go. All right. Some of these cards probably not worth that much money right now, but they definitely make you feel like you're getting value. Oh yeah, that was one of the things I was wanting to do. I'll open up one more pack in this video, and then I want to do some other things. Alright, we've got Joey Gallo, Austin Riley, Percy Haynes, Ryan Reynolds. Alright, we got our first Shohei Ohtani, 24 record breaker, Los Angeles Dodgers, first 50 home run plus 50 steal season ever card. Alright, we will go ahead and get that in. Plastic sleeve. Obviously got some potential there, probably not, it's not like a special variant. Might be worth a few bucks. And then we got this card, which is Andrew McCutcheon's Pirates outfield. It's got a little 3D effect, card number 314. So this is definitely a rare special variant. So we'll go ahead and get this put in here. Justin Steele, Eric Wagman. Nope. So we've got a couple rookie cards in here. Go ahead and pull those out. Put them in some top loaders. Alright, hopefully you are enjoying this video. Check out my other videos as a search for the Michael Jordan 1986 Fleer worth $200,000. Have a couple more packs coming. Hopefully this week. I should be here. And we'll see if I finally get one of those. Alright, thank you.